Il-poplu tar-Renju Unit issa iddeċieda li jrid joħroġ mill-Unjoni Ewropea. Ftit sigħat wara li tħabbar ir-riżultat, ġejna l-Belt Valletta nistaqsu dwar x'kienet ir-reazzjoni tagħhom meta ħareġ ir-riżultat, dwar anke l-fatt li issa l-Prim Ministru Ingliż se jkun qed jirriżenja u anke ħadna reazzjonijiet ta' nies barranin li wħud minnhom qed tinkwethom din l-affari. L-Ingilterra ddeċidiet li toħroġ mill-Unjoni Ewropea, x'taħseb dwaru?
Naħseb kulħadd ħajbati, ħanbagħtu żgur.
Stennejtuha?
Ma stennejtix, xtaqt li kieku baqgħu hemmhekk. Issa naraw kif qed effettwana.
Preoccupante.
Perché?
Perché mia figlia vive a Londra e penso sia un po' difficile per gli italiani che ci sono a Londra adesso.
What was your reaction to it?
Well, I guess I'm disappointed, but on the other hand, I think there's some good things that will come out of the Brexit. It's an unknown quantity as far as the economy is concerned, and the markets have responded really badly this morning. But I think they'll come back, and I'm hoping that Britain will regain its place in the world in that respect. So, I'm sort of uncertain. The jury's still out as far as I'm concerned.
What was your reaction? Why aren't you happy about it?
It's going to affect the British economy to a tremendous extent. We're very concerned about the future as far as pensions are concerned as well. If the stock market collapses, then there's not the money we'd expect there to have. There'll be nothing coming from the European Union to help us out, to help our farmers especially.
Problemi ju naħseb kbar.
X'kienet ir-reazzjoni tiegħek?
Tinkwieta u daqsxejn number one ma nafu sewwa sa jiġri. Imma still.
Disaster, a total disaster, both for Britain and for the EU.
Ma naħsibx li kuntenta jiena biha, sa taffettwana hux.
Tinkwetak da.
Tifel qiegħed hemm kontra tagħha l-biċċa xogħol ukoll.
Le li joħorġu minnu, le ma qed nistenna li joħorġu.
I don't find it a surprise. No. Behind all of the thing of immigration, we in Holland also think like that, like the Brits, and we'll see.
Għamel żball, għamlu ħażin.
What do you think of David Cameron's legacy? How do you describe it now that he's going to resign?
Well, he should never have had a referendum at all. He did it for all the wrong reasons, and it's something that Britain will regret for several hundred years.
What do you think of David Cameron's legacy?
I think he's been a good Prime Minister. I think he's very approachable. He seemed to me, from an outsider, that he's someone that communicates. I'm not sure about some of his internal policies. I haven't been following that particularly closely. But, I think he will leave. I mean, he's planning to leave in October. And I think he'll be looked back as someone who did achieve some things, maybe didn't achieve everything that he wanted.
I think he's been a very good Prime Minister for us. Whether he's done the right thing by going for this vote, I don't know. I think there are other things that the Conservative Party could have done when it came into power, and I certainly would not have gone for this at this stage. But having done that, I think then he has to decide what he wants to do. If he wants to resign, then I think that's entirely up to him.
Kollu jwarrabu għax l-pressure li ħajamillu spereġibu faraġu u l-dak nispera li ma morrux ħażin aħna.
Naħseb li l-fatt li reżenja issa.
Naħseb iktar inkwitu għal kulħadd.